Be delusional. Yes, delusional, because if you keep thinking like everyone else, you'll keep living like everyone else. The truth? Wealth is not built on excitement. It's built on things so boring, most people won't do them long enough to win. And the rich? They're quietly hoping you stay distracted. You're chasing motivation, they're building systems. You're looking for fast money, they're repeating slow habits. You want results now, they're thinking in decades. That's the gap. Habit 1. Obsession with tracking. Rich people track everything. Not sometimes, not when it's convenient, every single time. They know where every dollar goes. They measure what works. They cut what doesn't. Meanwhile, most people avoid looking at their money because the truth makes them uncomfortable. Here's the rule: if you don't track it, you don't control it. And if you don't control it, you will never multiply it. That's not deep, that's discipline. Habit 2. Doing the same thing for years. This is where most people quit. The rich will do one simple thing over and over for 5, 10, even 20 years. Same business, same strategy, same boring execution. No constant switching, no chasing every new trend. But you try something for 2 weeks, then jump to the next opportunity. That's not strategy, that's impatience disguised as ambition. Wealth rewards consistency, not excitement. Habit 3. Delaying gratification aggressively. This is the one nobody wants to hear. They can afford it, but they don't buy it. They can show off, but they stay quiet. They can spend, but they invest instead. While others are upgrading lifestyles, they're upgrading assets. You want to look rich now. They want to be rich later. And later always wins. Habit 4. Protecting focus like their life depends on it. The rich are ruthless with attention. They don't consume everything. They don't chase every trend. They protect their time like money because they understand something most people ignore. Distraction is expensive. Every hour wasted is opportunity lost. While you're scrolling, someone else is stacking quietly. So yes, be delusional. Believe that doing boring things daily can make you wealthy, because it can, but only if you're disciplined enough to keep going when it stops being exciting. The truth is simple. The habits are not hidden, they're ignored, and that's exactly why they work. Subscribe to Wealthbotics if you're ready to stop chasing hype and start building real wealth.